Hey guys, we're up here at the top of Broken Arrow in Sedona, Arizona. We got an Aneta steering installed yesterday at River Outdoor. We drove up to the top of Schnebly, came down Schnebly, through Broken Arrow, gave it a good test run. What do you think?
That was an amazing trail, and I feel like I got to get really technical with the Jeep today, and the steering felt so good. It felt very responsive, and there's a lot less steering wheel dead space almost. So especially on some of the climbs and some of the tight turns, because this Broken Arrow trail, it's very, very windy. So I felt in full control the whole time. And yeah, just a lot more confidence behind the wheel, especially on some of the harder obstacles that we just did. That they just spotted me up. I was like, you're a lunatic, but we did it, and I'm super happy with it. So the full length video will be up on my YouTube, The Off-Road Fitness. And if you want to check out these awesome steering kits, go to apexchassis.com, and those links will be down below.